Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're taking a look at one of our articles here. We have CNBC coming out with cryptocurrencies could be a tool for building personal wealth long term. And then also we are taking a look at the charts here. Our 3-day chart is right now just booming off. Our daily chart, we're sitting above $40,000 finally for Bitcoin. Now we need to make our close above. Currently we're at $42,100. So Bitcoin is definitely making its nice move for August here going into the next month. We had a consolidation period. Now it's just kind of like a straight up streak from here on out, folks. So let's take a look at that. We're going to jump on into the charts here in a second. We'll take a look at our article. Without further ado, let's cue that intro. Folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay up to date each and every single video that we make on this channel. And then also don't forget that we have our subscription service available for you as well. We post everything on Discord, so once you join through Patreon, make sure you have a Discord username so that way you can get assigned the Patreon member service role inside of our Discord server where we post all our up-to-date content such as charts, analysis, certain altcoins that we're getting into as well throughout this cryptocurrency bull run. So like we said, folks, we don't think the bull run's just over. We are still expecting a big run up from here on out to end off the year. And we're going to take a look at our charts here in a second. So CNBC has an article here that we're going to take a look at. Even though it's highly volatile asset, cryptocurrency can help investors build wealth, especially if they invest in digital coins over the long term. Yes, and we have some of those coins available to you. You want to know about these coins, folks, so join us over on our Patreon subscription service. Again, make sure you have a Discord username. And then let's see, if it's a portfolio play that's gained traction in the recent months, it is catching up to stock trading as something that Americans are looking for in growing wealth. Some 13% Americans have purchased or traded cryptocurrencies in the past year, according to a recent survey by NLRC of University of Chicago. In the same time period, 24% traded stocks that study found. So more and more people are looking for this investment. Bitcoin has whipsawed lately, showcasing its volatility. Going all the way down to in the $30,000 range. Now we are sitting above $40,000. And folks, la-di-da-di-da-di, you know the drill. So we are definitely looking for long-term investments here. Obviously, if you know what you're doing when it comes to trading, make sure that you use proper risk management and stuff too as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cue that transition to get us over onto our charts. All right, so here we go, folks. Looking at our 3-day chart here with our indicators that we do use. You can check out some of the links in the description box below if you're curious about what indicators we are using here. But further ado, looking at our 3-day chart, folks, we do have our buy signal that has popped off here on our 3-day chart. Let's take a look. Bitcoin right now is still hovering right at about the $42,000 level, almost $43,000 level. And are we going to get another push up here? We could be expecting a nice move here, folks, in the near term future. So keep an eye out. We did have our eyes targeting our $42,000 range area. And right now we're currently breaking through that. We just need to now get a close above it. Let me redraw this line for us here. We were looking at one of our about halfway points here where we were finding some resistance in the past before. All the way back here where we were at about 40,000. It took us a while to get through there. We had a little bit of sell-off, and as you can see during our last little sell-off phase here, we were kind of making a little bit of a downtrend. Now it looks like we are recovering. Buy signal on our 3-day chart has signaled off with the market god indicator. And I think it's signaled all the way up to our 5-day chart too as well. So definitely looking like potential ready to move. What I want to see is probably a weekly buy signal, and then we know the show is on the road, folks. But as of right now, our 3-day chart is what we were keeping a close eye on, and it looks like we have broken through resistance here. Market Cipher is definitely showing us some upwards potential here. We had this little stair step pattern with our green dot, red dots, and now we are making our way above our 0 pivot point on our 3-day chart too as well. So let's take a look at our daily, just kind of zoom in here. And you can see that we've just been putting in a steady upwards trajectory here, folks. I mean, just absolutely outstanding the way Bitcoin's performing. More than likely, we'll get our close above the $42,000 range. You know, at least above 40,000. That's what we're looking for, is a close above $40,000 to probably continue up even higher from here on out. Momentum waves as of right now on market Cipher are still showing a little bit of a downward, possibly a topping out here, but it looks like our VWAP is kind of steadily moving to the upside. We do have money flow that's also moving along to the upside with us as well here too on the daily chart. So it looks like the beginning of August, we're definitely going to have quite a bit of a rally here, folks. You're just looking at a straightward upwards trajectory. Obviously, if we break below our trend line that we have drawn out here, this is our 12-hour chart that we're looking at. If we are to break below this little rising pattern that we have here, then we could expect a little bit of a sell-off. But as of right now, we are still holding above our trend line here that's been holding us as support. And on our lower time frames, our 21 EMA has been holding us as support too as well. If we take a look at our 4-hour chart, our 21 EMA, we've been bouncing directly off of it for the most part ever since we started our bull run to break us through to these higher time frame levels too as well. So obviously a little bit more choppiness on these lower time frames, not really looking into it too much. Definitely keeping our close eye on the higher time frames, such as our 3-day and our daily chart. Our 3-day had just given us a nice signal that we were probably going to be making a nice rally up here in the next couple of days, and lo and behold, since our last previous video, I wanted to see our 3-day buy signal pop off for us, and it looks like we did finally get that 3-day buy signal for ourselves. And now we're waiting for our weekly buy signal. Green candles are already shooting up here for the most part. So we had our lime green candles with our decent trader indicator too as well. And usually once these lime green candles start to appear for us, we know that we're going to have a nice little run up. So ever since, you know, possibly our last Corona dump too, once our green candles started appearing, we just continue to rally up from there. So it does look like we're probably going to have quite a bit of buying pressure come into this market here pretty soon before the beginning of August. And hopefully y'all are prepared. Hopefully you held your hands strong enough to continue holding through this little sell-off period, and also continue to dollar cost average while we had this little sell-off period for ourselves. I'm expecting big blow-off fireworks towards the end of the year, folks, so be ready for it. Expect the unexpected, and yeah, stay safe out there, folks. I just wanted to bring y'all a quick update. It looks like we are having some movement here. I'll probably come back in a couple of days, but if you want to stay up to date with us 24/7, make sure you check out our Patreon subscription service, where you can get access to the private Discord server once you sign up there. And then also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel, folks. Let's continue and see what happens from here. I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.